We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for sports betting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, you can start by asking ChatGPT about the latest sports data and statistics for the games you're interested in. Type in your query related to specific teams, players, or matches. ChatGPT can provide you with historical performance data, upcoming match schedules, and even insights on player injuries or team changes. This information can be crucial for making informed betting decisions. Next, you might want to ask ChatGPT for betting odds comparisons. Although ChatGPT doesn't provide real-time odds, it can guide you on how to find and compare these odds across different betting platforms. It can also give you tips on understanding how odds work, which is essential for maximizing your potential returns. Then, you can explore some betting strategies. Ask ChatGPT about common strategies like value betting or the Kelly criterion, and it can explain these concepts in detail, helping you analyze which might best suit your style and the type of sport you're betting on. Remember, while ChatGPT can offer valuable insights and information, it should be one of many sources you use for betting decisions. It's also important to set a budget and bet responsibly to ensure that your experience remains enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.